The Baby Rager. Leave a like and subscribe in the next 5 seconds, or I will call you mean names behind your back. The 200 IQ player.
Look at this. The boat takes damage and you go further. How cool's that? That's brand new tech.
The 1000 IQ player. The 10 IQ player.
No!
Oh no.
The confused guy.
Pig step. Oh my, what? Huh?
The gullible one.
You can mine them with stun in 1.16, really?
I found more to go.
Oh yeah, you can. Oh my god, you're a piece of crap. Let's not talk about it.
The Gamers React merch store is now open. We've been spending so much time creating these really cool designs and setting up the shop, so it would mean a lot if you could go check it out at shop.gamersreact.com. Link in the description. The Hacker.
Oh, what? Oh!
Wait, what? Oh, you won! What the hell? What the?
The Lucky Guy.
Give me 10 obsidian and I'll be happy.
Praise God!
The Unlucky Guy.
What? Yo, what the?
The Misclicker. The one that gets trolled by his viewers.
Nothing can get me from behind. No! Literally just stop. Don't do that ever again. Just stop. Dude, I have PTSD.
That one new player.
What's the eat button? How do you oh, you right click it. Thank you.
You serious?
The Easily Scared. The guy who lost everything.
Uh-oh. Oh no, my stuff! I just blew up all my stuff.
The Bad Teammate.
Oh no, no! Bye-bye!
You have just killed me.
The Overachiever.
Let's go, dude. Let's go. Time. Oh, we did it. They're all done, guys. It's all done.
He got every achievement in under 15 hours.
To the end, the nether,
Thanks for the tip.
adventure, husbandry, Minecraft. We did it, guys.
The guy who's lagging.
I watch it sometimes.
Dude, that was the anime that got me into watching, what do you call it? Sub.
You didn't look in general?
Cause
Oh! Oh my!
The guy with the broken game.
I'm speedrunning Minecraft. Okay. Apparently this does not work. Someone clip that.
The Cheater.
Conscious decision to not die to a hogline.
Nope. The Genius.
TNT. Yo. Yo.
Hey, Blue. Let me get
Did
this
you see
final.
that?
Let me get this final.
That was actually so good.
Soren, where'd you die?
The Gullible One too.
Nick, you should use a bed as a trampoline. Reduce. Does that work? Do beds work?
You should also
LOL!
your spawn.
The Unlucky Guy too.
See, I like that. Fuck, dude. The one! Ah! How did I even die?
The Lucky Guy too.
Alright, let's see. Portal. Oh! Oh my god! That's insane! What are the odds on that?
The high school dropout.
Bruh.
I hotkeyed to the wrong button.
The sniper. The accident prone.
Ow, 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 ow.
He lost his hardcore world after over a month of playing. The rage quitter.
No, ya perdí. Y me diste.
The clutch god.
Oh! Whoa! Someone clip that.
The toxic gamer.
Jess, you're so bad. Quit the game. Quit the game! Was I not clear the first time? Your dog! Quit!
The misclicker 2.
I told you. I told you.
Oh no! Oh no! I misclicked. I tried to put the boat down.
The noob.
Bruh.
The one who can predict the future.
And guess what? There's gonna be a creeper down here, and it's gonna screw up my portal.
Hey!
Clip it. Clip it. Clip it. Clip it. Okay. What the?
The guy who got a new personal best.
Come on. Yes! Oh! Yes, dude! Oh my god!
The trapper.
Gotcha!
Oh my god! What the?
The frustrated one.
Uh-oh.
Oh, that's unlucky, dude.
ULW was burned
I'm
by Chris while
miss-
fighting. Wow, you died.
The one who barely survived.
No, it's on 40.
Oh my god!
Oh, thank God.
Oh my god, Quapo like 43 viewers. Oh my gosh, lol.
The troll.
Come here!
The depressed one.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Why is he going so nuts?
The one who got instant karma. Nope.
Yo, Pickle Wickle, you just disconnected. You good?
The guy who can't take a loss.
Shut the f up about that stupid fish! I swear to god, if I see one more message about that stupid fish.
Bye-bye.